Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have s squared s to the power of 3. We can do about factorization. Next, about negative s, we can put about negative 2s plus 3, negative 3s plus 2s. Because this one in here, you got negative s. Now we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 2. Now, we can do another factorization by s minus number 3. Next, we see that s plus number 2, s plus number 2, we can simplify it. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s, b over s minus number 3. Later that we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 3. About this one, it is missing about s. And now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So we see that we have number 1. So we have negative 3a equals to number 1. We don't have s, so a plus b equals to number 0. And now we need to create the system of equations. And now we can find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 3, b equals to 1 over 3. And now I will put a and b go back in here. So 8 equals to negative 1 over 3, b equals to 1 over 3. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.